Hello, good morning. This is what I've been waiting a long time for.
Good morning, Jolly Cruise family. My name is Jason, and I am the Jolly Cruise vlogger. And the wifey's here still.
Good morning. Still?
Just kidding. I mean, the wifey's here with us today because we're on a 7-day cruise.
I slept in, and I'm refreshed and ready to go.
So we're off to Emerils for breakfast.
I'm so excited. Beignets.
And then duck hunting.
Yay! I love to duck hunt because we got our duck hunt shirts on today.
We get the duck. We're carpe ducks and bippity boppity duck today. So we're going duck hunting and duck hiding. But until then, I don't know. Let's see what we do. So come with us and let's have a great day because a cruise day is better than a work day.
Any day.
Emerils Bistro 1397 is from famed celebrity chef Emeril Lagasse, who is also Carnival's chief culinary officer. It is open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. The breakfast and lunch menus are an upcharge. They do stay static all week, but the dinner menu does change every day, so make sure you do check your Hub app for that. But that also, again, is an upcharge for the dinner.
So we are at breakfast at Emerils, and this is our view right now. This is magical. This is my zen. This is my happy place. Out in the middle of the ocean. Look at this cappuccino. Oh, so beautiful. Can't wait to taste it.
For all of us coffee drinkers, there is no better place to have a cappuccino with a view than Emerils. Gotta feed the camera first. What you got there, girl?
I've got my beignets that I have been waiting a long time for. I guess I'll put these in the middle to share. All right.
To go along with the beignets that we've been waiting a couple years to have again, the wifey got the croissant breakfast sandwich without the Creole omelet. She just got the regular cheese omelet. Then I got the sweet potato waffles, and I am 1000% impressed with this breakfast. I absolutely love it. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Outside of the Golden Jubilee bar, they've got Porthole Gallery. This is a very historic area of the ship where they have a lot of different Carnival artifacts throughout the years. Little portholes to show you what the ships were like back then, with how they were dressed. That was the 1970s. The 1980s. And this one talks about the entertainment architecture. And then moving on to the 1990s with the elevating atriums. These are the ones that I love, with the glass elevators, the glass ceilings. These are the atriums that are open 6, 7, 8 decks. This is what I miss about cruising. Moving into the 2000s, that's where the whale tail was first introduced. And if you remember some on those ships with the red part of their whale tail, where they would either have, and this one they've got dining and dancing, and some of them even have, that's where the steakhouse is located, inside the glass part of the whale tail. The 2010s is when they started introducing the Red Frog, more like craft experience, things like that, brewery tours, singing, dancing, all there and there. Which, if you've never had the Red Frog Pale Ale, amazing. We actually drank it out of a ship one time. But that's in my younger days. And now today, the future of fun is the Carnival Tropical coming in 2028 and the festival coming in 2027. They're getting rid of the boat and adding a huge water park there. So excited. Oh, there's the water park that they're looking at. Also in this area, you can see all these little silver or brass dots here on the floor. These are all the different Carnival ships and when they entered the line. For example, this one is the Horizon in 2018. This one's the Dream in 2009. The Magic in 2011. So they go all the way down. All the way down. Let's see. Let's go all the way down here to the beginning. Let's see what this first one is. Because I'm pretty sure they're in timeline order and we're going backwards. There we go. The Carnival Mardi Gras, the one that started it all back in 1972. This, I have no idea what this thing is called. But this is how they used to communicate back in the 70s from the bridge to the engine room, and talked about, oh, well, let's go faster and let's go slower and let's stop. This was actually on one of the original Carnival ships from the 1970s. All these tables throughout here, which is the Golden Jubilee area still, all these tables came out of different Carnival ships that are no longer in service. This rounded glass wall right here actually was from the original Mardi Gras back in 1972. It is their glass bulkhead. You can see pictures of it when it was back in the Mardi Gras back in 1972, and now you can see it here in the Carnival Celebration, and that came out in 2022. That's the kind of Rolls Royce I want. I do want to say it's like a 1932 or 1934 Rolls Royce. That's a car. Again, here in the Golden Jubilee, talks about celebrating 50 years of fun ships. And across the top of the bar here, they have different blueprints. That one's a Carnival Fantasy. All throughout here, there's all the different blueprints and things like that. Oh, look, there's the Destiny. So if you are definitely a history buff, this is the area. Especially if you're a Carnival history buff, this is the right place to come to. So a quick pit stop back into the room. Looks like we got a one-eyed, one-horn, flying white towel people eater. Because this eye fell off here. Let's go. Let's fix him. Oh, I mean, he's got 3 eyes. So maybe it is a one-eyed, one-horn, flying white people eater. I don't know. What do you think that animal is? I've never seen that one before. But in the balcony cleaning tomorrow. So be ready to clean your balcony.
Celebration family, I believe it is time to get started with our towel folding fun. It is 12:15, so Celebration family, are you ready for your towel folding class? Yeah? First thing you're going to do with this big towel is, you're going to tuck it underneath your chin, and you're going to start rolling it down from both sides. Now, if you have a look at it, you've already made the first animal. What is it? No, it's a swan. You just need to shape it up a little bit. So put it in front of you. I'm just going to shape up the face. And you made this out of the town swan. Whoa, look at that. It's amazing. Town swan. Town swan. That might be the best one I've ever made. 7 years. Out there, yeah. Doing very well.
Jason, what'd you do?
My dinosaur.
You made a dinosaur?
Now,
Definitely learning how to fold elephants and bears and dinosaur towel animals was not on my bingo card for the day, but oh my goodness, we had such a great time doing this. I highly suggest when you're on a Carnival cruise, go through your Hub app, find out when the towel folding fun is, and go and do it. After folding our last towel animal, we decided we were going to explore the ship a little bit more. We walked past the latitudes bar and actually found this little touchscreen on the side of the wall. Decided we were going to look at it to see what it was. And it's actually very interesting because it'll give you different options to look at where the Carnival ships are at, what's their itinerary, little fun facts about each of their ships. Also, you can push the option to find out where the crew members on the ship are from. You can select that particular country and it'll tell you a little fact about that country, as well as one of their favorite food items from that country. Definitely, this was a cool opportunity to learn more about Carnival, where their ships are at, what their ships are doing, as well as the crew to find out where they're from and maybe give you that little bit of inspiration to talk to them about their home country. Knowing that we were going to do afternoon tea here in a couple hours, we decided we're going to have a light lunch at the deli and then go to Celebration Central to take in a little bit of the practice for the circus show tonight. While yes, there's a lot of things that you can do on a sea day, there's nothing I would rather do than have tea time with my cruise Framily in the afternoon. Carnival does a great job with this. They bring out plates of finger sandwiches and sweet treats for the table to share, and they will continue to bring them out as long as you ask for them. The tea is great, but the Framily time warms my soul more. As the sun is going down, we get ready to have dinner at ChiBang, which is a Chinese and Mexican fusion restaurant. Although they're not really fused together, you have a Chinese menu and a Mexican menu that you can choose from. You can mix and match appetizers from one, main course from another, dessert from another. Your first visit to ChiBang for dinner is included in your cruise fare. If you do choose to dine here the second time in that cruise, it is $8 per person. After a very filling and entertaining dinner at ChiBang, we went to Celebration Central to watch the show The Most Magnificent Circus. Great show. Unfortunately, we got there a little bit later than we wanted to, so we were sitting close to Deck 8, which would be right outside the Bonsai Teppanyaki, Bonsai Sushi restaurants. So there was a lot of foot traffic going in and out behind us, so it was hard to hear a little bit, but still, great show to go see. Definitely, I would watch it again. But I would definitely want to get lower, maybe even floor seats for this. As you already know, we have to end the night at Miami Slice having some piping hot pizza straight from the oven. And with this many crew members working, there's no doubt about it. It was fresh and hot and oh, so good. Well, good night, everybody. It's that time of the day. Dinner at ChiBang was amazing. But then we went and saw the show Circus.
I was about to call it Circus Marcus, but that's a Universal.
Yeah, I don't remember what the name of it was. Something about Big Top. It was good. Didn't have the best seats, but it was crowded. So we might go try and do it again tomorrow.
Mm-hmm. Tomorrow, St. Thomas.
And tomorrow is in St. Thomas, and so we have a rough plan, but don't know exactly what it is. But it is time for bed because morning's going to come early.
Yes.
And it was getting pretty loud in the pizza place last night. Or
Tonight. Yeah.
So it's bedtime for us because we're old. And we'll see you tomorrow in St. Thomas. And always remember that a cruise day is better than a work day any day.